Hello, everyone. Welcome to this episode of The Worst of These. In this episode, we're going to be talking about how God never changes. Okay. He's the same forever ago. He's the same today, and he will be the same, continue to be the same tomorrow. And this is a very good thing for us because that means that his promises that he promised to humanity thousands of years ago, they've been coming to fruition throughout the years, gives us hope that all the promises that are still to come for us, for you, God's going to come through because he is still the same. Okay, so stick around with this episode.